In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Zoho CRM Plus account. So, if you've decided it's time to move on, I'm here to guide you through the process. Now, before we dive in, it's important to note that deleting your Zoho CRM account is a multi-step journey. You'll need to downgrade your account, wait a little while, and then proceed with the final deletion. Let's break it down, step by step. First things first. You'll need to transition from any paid edition you might be using, such as CRM Plus or Enterprise, to the free edition. So, what you need to do is log into your CRM account. Once you're in, look at the top right corner where you'll see your profile avatar. Click on that, and a drop-down menu will appear. From there, navigate to Manage Subscription. Here you will select Change Edition. You'll be presented with a few options, so be sure to choose the free edition. After doing that, you'll need to confirm the downgrade. Now, if you're currently on any paid plan, it's crucial to cancel your subscription first. Doing so will automatically revert you to the free edition upon cancellation. In addition, make sure that only the super admin remains active in your account. This means you'll need to deactivate or delete all other users. It's a necessary step, as it simplifies the account when you move on to the next stages. Once you've done that, it's time to exercise a bit of patience. After successfully downgrading your account and ensuring only the super admin is active, you'll need to wait for 7 days. Now, I know waiting isn't always easy, but it's part of the process. This period allows Zoho to process the changes and prepare your account for deletion. Only after this 7-day time frame will you have the option to delete your CRM account available to you. After the waiting period has passed, you can take the final steps towards permanently deleting your CRM account. To do this, head over to the Setup section, which you can access by clicking on the gear icon. Then, make your way to General and find Company Settings. Click on Company Details. Once you're here, scroll down to the bottom of the page. That's where you'll find the Delete CRM Account option. Before you proceed, it's crucial to read the confirmation warnings carefully. Remember, this is an irreversible process. Once you're absolutely certain, go ahead and confirm the deletion. As soon as you do this, you'll be logged out of your account, and you can expect to receive an email confirmation notifying you of the closure. By following these steps, you've successfully deleted your Zoho CRM Plus account. Well done on navigating through the process. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to check out other resources or reach out to support for additional help. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful.